Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking you straight to the heart of Italy, where the glamour and glitz of the 2024 Venice Film Festival are in full swing. Let's dive into the most unforgettable celebrity appearances and jaw-dropping outfits that have taken the red carpet by storm. You won't want to miss this. 2024 Venice Film Festival Celebrity Red Carpet Looks. Caterina Murino. Caterina Murino made a bold statement with her tailored dress, featuring a dramatic cape. The combination of structured tailoring and the flowing cape created a powerful and elegant silhouette. Caterina's outfit was a masterclass in balancing drama and sophistication, making her one of the most striking figures on the red carpet. Adria Arjona. Adria Arjona brought her signature edgy style to the Venice Film Festival with a bold outfit featuring leather accents. The combination of rebellious elements and high fashion made for a standout look that reflected her unique personality. Asia's outfit was a reminder that fashion is about self-expression and breaking the mold. Cecilia Rodriguez. Cecilia Rodriguez turned heads with her glamorous floor-length gown. The plunging neckline and rich fabric exuded luxury and sophistication, making her one of the evening's most glamorous figures. Cecilia's outfit was a celebration of classic red carpet style, with a touch of modern flair. Francesc Valtorta. Francesc Valtorta opted for a chic, minimalist look with a black dress. The understated design allowed her natural beauty to shine, proving that sometimes less is more. Francesca's outfit was a perfect example of how minimalist fashion can be both elegant and impactful. Letizia Toni. Letizia Toni brought a burst of color to the red carpet with her vibrant dress. The bold patterns and lively colors reflected her joyful personality, making her a standout at the festival. Letizia's outfit was a celebration of life and fashion, reminding us of the joy that fashion can bring. Elisa Tasca. Elisa Tasca embraced a dramatic look with her light gown featuring intricate lace details. The combination of rich fabric and delicate lace created a mysterious and alluring appearance, making Elisa one of the most intriguing figures on the red carpet. Her outfit was a beautiful blend of dark romance and elegance. Drusilla Gucci. Drusilla Gucci pushed the boundaries of fashion with her bold, textured outfit. The combination of different fabrics and innovative design elements created a visually stunning effect, making her a standout on the red carpet. Drusilla's outfit was a testament to the creativity and innovation that the Venice Film Festival inspires. Patricia Gloria. Patricia Gloria dazzled the crowd with her glamorous dress. The sparkling details caught the light beautifully, making her the center of attention. Patricia's outfit was a celebration of luxury and opulence, perfectly suited for the glamour of the Venice Film Festival. Valentina Herszage. Valentina Herszage opted for a chic, monochrome look with her outfit. The simplicity of the color palette was elevated by bold accessories, creating a sophisticated and modern appearance. Valentina's outfit was a perfect example of how to make a statement with subtlety and style. Nilufar Addati. Nilufar Addati brought a sense of playfulness to the red carpet with her whimsical dress. The fun details and lively design made her a refreshing presence at the festival. Nilufar's outfit was a reminder that fashion should be fun and that creativity knows no bounds. Jung Ho-yeon. Jung Ho-yeon impressed with her sleek, modern outfit that incorporated traditional elements. The blend of contemporary design with cultural references created a unique and striking look. Jung's outfit was a beautiful representation of the fusion of fashion and heritage, making her one of the most memorable figures at the festival. Isabela Merced. Isabela Merced lit up the red carpet with her bold, black dress. The lively colors and beautiful design elements made her a standout at the festival. Isabela's outfit was a celebration of color and creativity, perfectly capturing the spirit of the Venice Film Festival. Cristiana Dell'Anna. Cristiana Dell'Anna chose a chic, elegant outfit that featured just the right amount of sparkle. The subtle shimmer added a touch of glamour to her sophisticated look, making her one of the evening's most refined figures. Cristiana's outfit was a perfect example of how to balance elegance with a hint of glitz. Sveva Alviti. Sveva Alviti made a second appearance in a bold, fashion-forward outfit that showcased her versatility. This time, she opted for a more daring look, with a combination of unique textures and modern design elements. Sveva's outfit was a powerful statement on the red carpet, proving that she is not afraid to take risks with her style. Adria Arjona. Adria Arjona brought elegance and grace to the red carpet with her stunning gown featuring intricate beadwork. The detailed embellishments and flowing fabric created a look of timeless beauty, making Adria one of the most elegant figures at the festival. Her outfit was a perfect blend of sophistication and artistry. Emma Laird. Emma Laird closed out our list with a bold, edgy outfit. The combination of tough materials and high fashion created a striking look that stood out on the red carpet. Emma's outfit was a powerful reminder that fashion is about breaking the rules and making a statement. Which celebrity look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things fashion. Until next time, stay stylish.